father's Algerian, mother's Irish, and they both met in Germany. I was born in Germany. I lived there till I was 6 before I moved back to Dublin. And I was raised in Dublin all the way to the age of 18 until I moved away. But yeah, so that's my background when it comes to the Irish, Algerian journey. Yeah. Look, this is a really exciting chapter in my life, and I'm really happy to be here. When I heard Maribor were interested, it was something that drew me automatically. You know, Maribor is a team with history and also a team that competes. You know, and so it's like I said, it's an important step in my career, and I'm really happy to be here. I'm looking forward and excited to be here. Yeah. So I like to think that I'm direct. I'm a direct player who likes to create chances, get myself into positions where I can be dangerous, also where I can help the team, you know. So hopefully the fans enjoy what I have to bring to them. So I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, I liked it. Dominate football, possession, attacking football, you know, it just looks exactly like something that will suit me, something that I can fit right into and hopefully bring more to the team, and hopefully the teammates can bring more out of me, and I can also help to bring more out of them, you know, and work together as a team. It was good to watch and really excited, just gets me more happy and ready to go, you know. Yeah, look, I want to, of course, I don't like to speak too much about it, but of course I want to bring as much, score goals, assists. I want to contribute. I want to also, you know, help the team as much as I possibly can. The team are in a good position right now, so I only hope to bring more, you know. Like I said before, so the team can help bring more out of me, and I can bring more out of the team, and that's where I want to go. Yeah, look, I've experienced a couple of different leagues now, you know, from Ireland to England, to Algeria to Macedonia now in Maribor. So it's something that with time, you know, you learn to adapt quickly, and hopefully that's what I can do, adapt quickly and get going as quick as possible.